Hey tech enthusiasts, today we're diving into the thrilling world of military technological advancement. Stick around as we explore how technology is redefining military power. You won't want to miss this. We've got something seriously cool to talk about. The EN-SEQ-3. Yeah, I know, sounds like a spaceship's name straight out of a science fiction movie. But trust me, this thing is real and it's seriously impressive. So what exactly is it? Well, it's a computer-controlled laser weapon system. Yes, you heard that right. A laser it shoots out highly concentrated beams of light to targets and neutralize threats. Say goodbye to missiles, hello to the power of light. And best part, it's super precise and super fast. No downtime, no misses, just laser-focused precision. It will make those bad guys think twice before coming anywhere near you. You might be wondering where you can get your hands on one of these babies. Well, mainly on warships, where it helps defense against air and maritime threats. Imagine being on board one of those ships with an EN-SEQ-3 in your arsenal, you'd be practically unstoppable. So there you have it, guys. The XQ-58A Valkyrie. This bad boy is all about stealth, speed and versatility. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drone, but on steroids. Imagine this, you've got a mission that needs to be done and you need something fast, agile and reliable. That's where the XQ-58A Valkyrie comes in. It's like having your own personal wingman up there in the sky, ready to take on whatever comes your way. And the best part, it's not just one trick pony. The XQ-58A Valkyrie can do it all. From reconnaissance and surveillance to strike mission, it's like having a whole arsenal of capabilities packed into one sleek package. Well, you won't find it at your local drone store, that's for sure. It's still in development, in testing phase, but trust me, when it's ready for prime time, it's gonna be a game changer. Let's dive into the world of the Talos exoskeleton. A seriously cool piece of military tech. The Talos exoskeleton is like a supercharged suite of armor designed to give soldiers a boost. With its fancy sensors and built-in communication system, the Talos exoskeleton helps soldiers stay on top of things in the heat of it. Also ramps up their strength and endurance so they can carry heavier stuff and handle tough situations like pro. And guess what? It even keep an eye on the soldiers there, making sure they are all good. It's all about making soldiers safer and more effective in the fight. It's a hypersonic weapon, meaning it travels at mind-boggling speeds. We're talking faster than an internet connection on a good day. It's like hitting the nitro button in a video game, but with real-life consequences. But wait, there's more. This bad boy isn't just about speed, it's also about precision. So what is that? Well, it's like wearing an invisibility cloak, but without all the wizard ride. You slip it on, and boom, you vanish into thin air, like a magician's trick gone right. No, You're probably wondering, how does it work? It's like this top secret magic trick that only a select few know. Basically, it bends light around you, making you blend right into your surroundings. It's like being a chameleon, but cooler. But here's the kicker: Quantum Stealth isn't just about disappearing. No, it's like a master of disguise too. You can blend in anything from a rock to a tree to, well, you get the idea. It's like playing dress up, but with a high-tech twist. So, in a nutshell, Quantum Stealth is like the ultimate stealth mode. It's sneaky, it's slick, and it's ready to make you vanish into thin air. Keep your air pierced, for you never know who might be hiding right under your nose. Let's talk about the LMD, the lasers that cuts, the military buzzing. Think of it like a futuristic lightsaber, but instead of battling Sith Lords, it's taking down drones and missiles like a boss. Well, it's like having your own personal Death Star, but in a much smaller package. This bad boy shoots out laser beams that can fry anything in its path faster than you can say, "Beam me up, Scotty." So, how does it work? It's like this super high-tech flashlight that cranked up to 11. It blasts out concentrated beams of light that turn anything they touch into toast. It's like playing tag with the sun, but without the sunscreen. But here's the best part, it's not just for show. LMD is like the ultimate defense system shooting down enemy drone and missile with pinpoint accuracy. It's like having your own personal bodyguard, but with lasers.